Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ibrahim and I'm in grade 6. Today I will show you how to make delicious mango jalad for iftar. First you need is Cool Whip, pour it. Then you need condensed milk. Then you need mango pulp. Then I mix it. Yeah, I need to mix it really well. Yeah, I think it's good. Then I need to pour a mixed fruit can. Mixed fruit. And mix it gently. And then I need to pour in this is I'll leave this one. Then I need Cool Whip. This is whipped cream. I need to pour it on. I need to spread it. Make sure it's nice and smooth. I need to make it as good. MashaAllah, it's already looking so nice. Finally, which is the main thing, we need to put mango pulp. You need to move this stuff so I can show you what we made. Now, I just need to make the design. We are done. This looks so good, right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you have a good Ramadan.